this is Nehemias Y. Walter back on your screen with another video, and in this video I'll show you guys the 4th of July, and just look at that on the other side over there. Just look at how plenty there are. Just look at the fireworks. Like, that's pretty cool. Everybody's going crazy over there. So let's check out each and every firework. So stay tuned. See if you can literally see. Oh my god. Looks like we're getting moved. You guys can see all the smoke after all of this. Oh my god. We just arrived to the Dumfries Palace, and we are here to see the fireworks, and they just keep on blowing. Sorry you guys. We are moving the truck to a different place, so stay tuned for what is happening. We arrived to the scene, as you guys showed me. They're throwing one of the biggest fireworks, very noisy and very loud. Oh my goodness, this is insane. All right, we got some different stages of each firework. Just look at that. That is a huge guy over there. Wow. Too loud, my guy. Okay, here comes the big FNAF. The big finals. Somebody just threw a 200 gram canister shell. You guys remember those canister shells? They don't sell them in here. Pretty sad. I'm gonna miss the 200 gram cakes. But in this video, we have some way better surprises than just that. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Never seen any kind of firework go like this blaze. This is insane. Oh my goodness, guys, let me zoom in. You gotta see this. They're almost in the finals. That big show of sparkles is actually kind of one of my favorite coves. Like when I was little. Crazy loud. I have never expected one forever to be that loud in my life. Guys, we cannot. Oh my. Oh. Alright, guys. If you guys remember on the last video while this is happening, remember the short that I uploaded? That's Union Pacific engine 5661 leading NS25A. Please check that out on the channel. Anyways, you guys can see I have fireworks, but we're still on the finals, and it's raining like crazy. They were pro-nominated to throw these fireworks at 9:15, but they changed it to 9:30 because of the thunderstorm warning they were having. This is insane. Just look at the sparkles of each and every firework. Just look at that. Oh my goodness! Big canister shells. They got some big shells on it. Like that one. Like that one just went over there. Incredibly loud. It's so incredibly loud. And sorry guys for the noise of my family. We're just watching this video. Everybody else is throwing 200 gram cakes. 200 gram cakes are actually my favorite ones. Man, blazing loud. Here comes the big FNAF, you guys. The big finals, I mean. Since when did the big finals just start? Uh-oh. This guy is the most loud. Oh. Insane fireworks. Awesome, insane ones. Insane. Did somebody just throw a 200 gram canister shells, like the small ones? The rest of my family are in the car. Some of them are scared of fireworks, and for some reason, I am talking too much. Oh, here comes, I think this is the big finals. I'm not sure about the big final. Oh, I think here. Sorry guys, I'm not even putting the camera up high. Alright. I'm gonna be quiet for a bit. When I get to the finals, I will let you guys know. I didn't know. So obviously, cannot keep another guy that just threw the 200-gram cakes. It's getting too out of control. The sparkles are a bit different. There's so many smoke. It's like 1,000. How do you say this? 1,200-gram cakes that you get. That's pretty interesting. Another 200-gram cake just been thrown. And my neighbors in my house are going to be throwing insane 200-gram cakes during the years past. And we're going to leave some for Christmas. I mean, New Year's. I don't even mention Christmas anymore. Oh my goodness. This is insane. This is going to what? Okay, look at that. Another 200-gram cake. I mean, that's not a 200-gram cake, but I mean, that's the 500 grams. I sadly miss those fireworks. Those are my favorite ones. Those guys are not that loud. Oh my goodness, that one is gonna be loud. Oh my, that's so loud. It's like almost 1,000 grams of cakes. But I think this one's gonna be horrible. Did I just see another 200-gram cakes? Somebody's throwing 200-gram cakes over there. Somebody is beating the race of the 200-gram cakes. Oh my goodness, guys. Here comes the big finals. The big finals. Alright, the big finals just starts now. Sorry guys, this video is gonna be horribly fine. I apologize for the screaming. It's my bad for it. Okay. You guys can see. Okay. Looks like the whole town is literally shaking from these big fireworks. I mean, not the regular 200-gram and 500-gram cakes. So, but the ones that go way, way, way up there, like the giant ones. Oh no, the big finals is coming. The big finals is literally here, you guys. Sorry, I'm not pointing to the camera. I am bad at filming. Everybody knows. Alright, there you go. Put the camera way too far. Happy 250th anniversary, America. We love you. This is a way to celebrate the 4th of July. The whole town is getting even louder and louder and louder and louder and louder as this firework goes. Some other ones are hiding behind those trees. The big finals just ended, you guys. Let's go to the fireworks we are throwing this evening. Alright, so our first fountain is Purple Rain by TNT Fireworks. Let's back up for this one. This one is gonna go crazy loud. The smoke is out of control. It's literally passing into my face. Look at this. Literally going through my face. Just look at the sparkles here. This is crazy. Everybody knows about this Purple Rain, and here comes the third part. It's just look at how the burning just burned up the whole house. Alright, so let's go to the next fire. This next one is Cuckoo by TNT Fireworks, and let's go ahead and give it a listen. This one whistles, so it's gonna be extremely loud. This one, I like one of these fountains. They're amazing. If you guys remember on the intro, oh my goodness, the smoke is coming after me. Let's go ahead and back up for this. That's how just the fountain did. It's literally burning like the Purple Rain. Let's go ahead and go to the next firework. Alright, this third fountain is Cheeky Fountain by TNT Fireworks as well, and let's go ahead and give it a listen. This one is gonna be a little bit different than just the other one. The sparkles are crazy. Literally, the smoke is literally coming into my face. See, it's literally coming to my face. Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. The smoke just made a little twist over there. We are gonna go into the next fountain. Let's go. This one is a bit different. It's the Lopatrick by TNT Fireworks as well. All right, so let's go ahead and just give it a listen. And for this, so the lighter's having issues, and we're just gonna go ahead and try it again. And there's a fuse. I hope it doesn't fail. This one is a triangle. Did it just whistle? I never heard these ones whistle before. Oh boy, here comes that bunch of crackles everywhere. I'm gonna back up for this because... The slow whistle is insane. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the next fountain. You guys can see somebody throwing crackles over there. This one came to the intro. It's the Cool Breeze by TNT Fireworks as well. So let's back up for this. This is 4 stages, just like the other one, just like the Cheeky Fountain. And this one is going to be pretty intense. And so, uh-oh. That part of crackles is pretty cool. Here comes the 4th stage. And all I know is the crackling sound. The smoke is literally going through my feet. Pretty insane, that ball of smoke. So let's go ahead and go to part 2. Next one, we got the Killer Bee. This is the Screaming one by TNT Fireworks, and let's go ahead and give it a listen. too much smoke. And just look at it after. It's literally reigniting. Just look at this. Next is the Black Widow by TNT Fireworks. Let's back up for this one. This one is a little bit weird. I never saw these fireworks, so they're a little bit interesting to me. Just look at that ball of smoke right now. And the sparkles. Here comes my favorite part. It did not throw a flame of sparks, you guys. This is pretty insane. The killer bee is actually lighting off, which is crazy. It didn't sparkle, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright, you guys, we got the USA Rocket Fountain, also by TNT Fireworks. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. The wind is actually blowing very hard. Let's go ahead and see how well this is. This one's gonna be pretty awesome. Oh boy. 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 This phone is literally dying. Oh. That's crazy enough. Alright, you guys, a whole bunch of smoke. They're literally reigniting. We're spraying these things with water. Guys, I'm gonna cut this footage out because for some reason the phone just died into 3%. So I cannot even get it to boot it up. It's gonna be crazy. And let's go ahead and just see what happens. So let's go ahead and see this one. This is the Crackling Barrel by Flashing Fireworks, and let's go ahead and give it a listen. As my dad's picking up some trash over there. The phone died off due to